Welcome to another Simple Dad Samsung tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to operate your Samsung Galaxy using one hand. If you're new on the channel and want to find out more about your iPhone or your Android phone, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become part of the Simple Dad community. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video useful. So your Samsung Galaxy phone has a brilliant application called One Hand Operation Plus. This is not available on your Google Play Store, and you can find it only on Samsung Galaxy Store. So this application lets you control the phone or tablet with just one hand. You can close the applications, take screenshots, start application, and many other controls by swiping left or swiping right. So let me show you how to get this app and how to get these swiping features you see on the video. So on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you want to go ahead and go into your apps. You want to find Galaxy Store. So go ahead and tap on it. Now for those of you who have not used this before, you will need to register and create a Samsung account before you download any app from the store. Now once you've done that, go ahead and search for One Hand Operation Plus. Go ahead and install it. And as you can see, this app has received 4.5 stars and it has recently been updated to the latest version. This app is created by Samsung, so it's completely safe. So now once that's been installed, let's go ahead and open the app. So this is how the menu looks like. You want to go ahead and enable the one hand operation. So I'll switch it on. And now once you do that, let's configure the left handle and the right handle. So now on screen, you'll see these shaded parts. So this is the left handle and this is the right handle. So let's go ahead and enable left and the right handle. So now once you have enabled left and right, tap on the left handle. And now you have the ability to swipe right, diagonal up, or diagonal down. So here I'll tap on straight right. And now this will give you all the functions which can happen when you swipe right. So as you can see, currently I've set it to color inversion, but you can set it to back key, home key, recent, menu key, search in app, volume down, volume up, play pause, next track, screen off, close app, start the torch, and so on. And let's configure the right handle. Again, I'll swipe left. Here I'll configure it as screen recorder. Now let's test it out. So I'll go back to the home screen. So now using your one hand, you can swipe left and your phone will perform the function you have configured in the app. Now you can comfortably use the phone with one hand. There are other things which you can configure in the app as well. So there are advanced settings. You have your gesture settings. You can control the touch width, touch panels here. So you can increase the size. So you can swipe from the top or from the bottom. You can change the position. And you can change the handle color. If you scroll down, you can have custom vibration intensity. So you can configure if you want a low or high vibration level. If you haven't tried this application already, go ahead and try this app. This is a really useful application which can add so many functionalities on the swipe gesture on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let me know what you think about this app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.